So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we add our voice on TikTok. To know that, firstly go to your TikTok app. After going to your TikTok app, just click on plus, and you can just make the video by talking also, or go back and go to the sound. Use this sound and the voiceover option, and you can use your voice on TikTok and you can use it. And just click on next and post it. This is how you use your voice on TikTok. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.